To the middle of each glute. Okay. Like that. Okay. Okay, so now that you can see my entire body, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. Okay, so the first one that I'm gonna be doing is the kick-ups. Hard to keep my foot down. Okay, that was a workout. It is work, but I'm down. Yeah, my first impression is super cute. Like these foot straps could be made a little bit better. As I was working out, it was like, or maybe I need to just put shoes on. I don't know. This is my only issue with it. But yeah, other than that, I can't wait to start a program or something. I know there's plenty of like, you know, workout routines that they have like on YouTube or something. So I'm going to download one of the 30-day challenges, and then I'll probably do a before and after and show y'all how my peach is gonna transform. Okay, so on this side, they do have Lean Fit Secrets. It says women should always intake at least 80 to 120 grams of protein each day. So number 2 is don't go to sleep with any carbohydrates in your system. Fill up on protein, vegetables to stop late night cravings if needed. Number 3 is say no to all white carbohydrates. Replace them with brown carbs. whole wheat bread and brown rice. Number 4, eat 4 to 6 high protein and low carb meals per day. Protein shakes and bars are considered meals. Number 5, to help achieve a lean and toned body, perform 15 to 20 reps of all of your exercises. 6 is drink as much water as you can each day. Number 7, do cardiovascular activities at least 5 times each week for 20 to 30 minutes each. And number 8 is glutes are one of the biggest muscle in the body and they burn the most calories, so do a lot of booty belt exercises to take advantage. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be doing probably a booty belt challenge for a month. I like to do like these. It's either like a week and then just see my progression, and then from there I will probably do a 30-day challenge. But yeah, so I'm excited to use this. Like I said, I just wanted to get on here and do my unboxing, and I love it. Like I said, I'm gonna do a challenge on it, so if you want to see that, then stay tuned. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.